After toiling through months of restrictions, these Spaniards are embracing what nature throws at them.
Pues un poco raro, la verdad, porque
It's kind of weird. We've never seen so much snow in Madrid. It's like a kid's dream, playing in the snow.
de un niño ahora.
Storm Filomena brought blizzard conditions to Madrid. It turned roads into dance floors and streets into ski runs. This in front of Madrid's Prado Museum.
Well, it's wonderful, something you could never imagine.
Spain's meteorological agency said it was the heaviest snowfall in Madrid since 1971. Meteorologists reported more than half a metre of snow in the capital.
I'm so happy. This is a spectacle of nature, something unusually beautiful in Madrid.
Y ha sido increíble, digo, tengo que salir sí o sí.
It's been incredible. I felt I had to go out, and it's incredible. I have never seen so much snow. Snowmen everywhere. The most magical places in Madrid covered in snow. I'm having such a great time, really. I can't stop smiling.
But the storm did cause mass travel disruption. Madrid's main international airport was closed, as was much of its metro. The military was mobilised to clear roads. More than 600 were blocked with snow. 1,500 motorists became trapped in their cars. Tow trucks were of little help in their rescue.
Asimismo, las fuerzas de seguridad han mantenido.
Security forces have deployed in all their capacity to prevent this from affecting the prevention plans of the COVID-19 pandemic or the vaccination campaigns that communities are continuing.
The minister added that more of the Pfizer vaccine is arriving on Monday. They are evaluating the best way to make sure it can still be distributed. On the front line, health workers fought the conditions to reach work on Saturday.
I did a late-night shift. Today I slept in a hospital bed. I do not know if I have to stay tonight because there are people who cannot get here.
With COVID-19, Spain has weathered a storm that few forecast. In Madrid, Filomena is child's play.